Hey there, you probably heard about dopamine. It's the brain chemical of want and desire, right? Some say detox, some say not. But what if I told you that dopamine is far more than just wants and desire? And you can actually set it up to achieve great things in your life. And I will show you how to use dopamine to unlock massive focus on your work and remove any boredom from it. So you can be successful in anything you do. Is that what you want? Hit the like button and let's get started. First, let's identify dopamine. Think of it as the reward that your brain produces and gets consumed by all your body cells. Dopamine helps you think clearly and can get you forget things that are worrying you. And it even have a lot of benefits to your health. But there is two kinds of dopamine, the real one and the fake one. The real one is when you have sex or eat or even drink water or breathe. But the strongest real dopamine spike that lasts very long is when you achieve something or even working on something. This is the kind of dopamine that gets people look younger than their age. And it clears the brain from any anxiety and help you focus on anything you do. And there is the second kind of dopamine, the fake one. It's when you smoke or drink alcohol. It's when you masturbate. This kind of dopamine are not just dangerous for you, but also when your brain realizes that what you're doing is fake, dopamine spikes down in a very low level, causing you anxiety and depression, and you will have a bad look of life and you start to be angry. That's why you feel bad as soon as you finish masturbating, and that's why you feel mad when smoking effects go away. Now that we identify dopamine, that program is for success. It's like mathematics. Take a drink you like, for example, call it X. This drink have a value on your brain. It's delicious, but it's also contain the memory of things you are doing and the mood you are in while you drink it. And when you drink it again, you will get the same dopamine spikes of things you experienced while you consume that drink. That's why we get addicted to stuff, because it's stored value of some things we like. If that seems logical to you, it's simple, but if you want to succeed in life, you must indeed value that release dopamine in your brain from all the non-meaningful stuff you are addicted to, and refill it in what's going to benefit you in your life, like your journey to achieve your goals and be successful. It's actually very simple, but it takes some desire to change all of the fake dopamine sources that you consume. It seems hard, but it only takes 27 hours to get out from all your addictions. And after that, you want to be addictive and meaningful stuff, like learning a skill and keep sharpening it every day. Create a YouTube channel, work on something. Don't have a breakfast until you work a little. That will motivate you next morning to work harder. And remember that drink you like, consume it while you are working. And don't consume it in other times that you are not working. And while you are on the journey to change your life and be successful, you want to make the outside world a little bit boring, so that you develop the desire of coming back. Program your addiction toward that road of the life you deserve. Make your work the highest value that releases dopamine in your brain. So yourself won't let you rest unless you do meaningful tasks. That's how people get successful in everything. It became the best thing they like and brings them pleasure, even if most of other people find this boring. If you understood what I was saying in this video and implement it, I promise you, my friend, everyone will hear about you soon. That was the video. I hope the message was clear. Subscribe